Good afternoon. I'm Annie de la Cruz Santiago, 40 years of age and married to Federico Santiago Jr., an OFW factory worker at Taiwan. We have two children. The eldest was 19 years of age and the youngest was 9 years old. I graduate as a computer programmer from Isabela State University, Itiaga, Isabela. I love to cook Filipino dishes and willing to learn another dishes. My previous work was a secretary on file from 1998 to 1999, perform routine clerically and administrative functions such as drafting, correspondence, organizing, and maintaining papers and necessary informations. And from 2002 to 2015, I worked as all-around maid. I clean and sanitize rooms, kitchens, lobbies, and other works areas, run errands and purchase groceries, taking care of their children. I want to go abroad to help my husband for the operation of my son of his ears. That's all. Thank you.